Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 6, the most beautiful flower. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize varying position of adverbs in sentences according to their kinds and importance. In previous lessons, we have discussed the types of adverbs and their function in sentences. Adverb is a part of speech which modifies an action, which describe you when, where, to which extent, in which manner, to which degree the action is done. Today we are going to discuss the position of adverbs, where we will put adverbs in a sentence. This is very important. Adverbs should come as near as possible to the verbs they qualify. This is because the meaning of sentence can change with the change in the position of adverbs. When the verb is intransitive, verbs that do not have objects place the adverb immediately after it. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स में हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता इस सेंटेंस में, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वर्ब के बाद इमीडिएटली एडवर्ब लगा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉक्ड स्लोली. वॉक्ड इज अ वर्ब एंड स्लोली इज एन एडवर्ब हियर. शी स्माइल्ड ब्यूटिफुली. बोथ सेंटेंसेस हैव नो ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. जस्ट सिंपल द सब्जेक्ट, द वर्ब एंड द एडवर्ब. स्लोली एंड ब्यूटिफुली is the adverb of manner, in which manner they walk and smile slowly and beautifully. When the verb is transitive with an object following, place the adverb immediately after the object. Transitive verb में हमारे पास क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट होता है verb के बाद, तो हम क्या करते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद verb को लगाते हैं. For example, she endured the pain bravely. Endured is a verb, pain is an object here, and bravely is what? Yes, it's an adverb here. He offered his help willingly. Offered is a verb here, help is an object, and willingly is an adverb here, which is modifying the verb offer, and bravely is modifying the verb endured. Adverbs of time and frequency normally come before the verb. Time और frequency adverbs हमेशा जो है वर्ब से पहले आते हैं, जैसे कि they seldom visit us, and visit is a verb here or seldom is an adverb of frequency here. She never admitted her fault. Never is the adverb of frequency here and admitted is a verb here. If the verb consists of an auxiliary, the adverb goes after it. Auxiliary means have. They have never invited us to their parties. Have is an auxiliary verb and never is an adverb of frequency, and invited is a verb here. Auxiliary linking verbs और helping verbs हमने डिटेल में आपके previous lessons में भी पढ़े हैं. An adverb which modifies an adjective or another adverb comes before it. वो adverb जो किसी adjective को modify करते हैं और या adverb को, वो जो है उससे पहले आते हैं adverb या adjective से. For example, she is very beautiful. Very is an adverb here and beautiful is an adjective here. Here the adverb very modifies the adjective beautiful. The girl sang so sweetly. Here the adverb so modifies the adverb sweetly. So is an adverb here and sweetly is an adjective. The words only, merely, even, not and never as usually placed before the words they modify. कौन कौन से वर्ड जो हैं आर यूजुअली प्लेस बिफोर द वर्ड्स दे मॉडिफाई. जिन वर्ड्स को मॉडिफाई करते हैं उससे पहले यूज होते हैं मेयरली, इवन, नॉट एंड नेवर. लाइक आई मेयरली वांटेड टू नो हिज नेम. शी वाज नॉट क्लेवर इनफ टू सी थ्रू हिज स्कीम. ही नेवर कीप्स हिज वर्ड्स. यू कैन सी हियर नेवर, नॉट एंड मेयरली प्लेस्ड बिफोर द वर्ब हियर. This is the position of adverbs. These are some examples here. Front position. Front position means that we will put adverb in the start of the sentence. Like adverb of frequency, sometimes I see him at the supermarket. Sometimes I see him at the supermarket. Sometimes is an adverb which is placed in the start of the sentence here. And it's an adverb of frequency. Adverb of manner here, suddenly the eagle opened its wing. Suddenly is placed in the start of sentence. तो इसकी 3 positions हैं, front, mid and. We can put adverb in the start of the sentence as this. And the mid position, adverb of frequency, he always has sandwiches for his lunch. Always is, yes, in the mid of the sentence. Right after the subject here. He. The pronoun, the subject here. And the adverb of manner, he slowly backed his car into the garage. Slowly क्या है आपका adverb of manner है और बिल्कुल हमने subject के बाद इसको place किया. तो ये mid position है adverb की. ये आपने याद रखना है कि या तो सबसे पहले आएगा या एकदम जो है आपका उसके बाद आएगा subject के बाद. Adverb of frequency जो कि end position है, he visits me occasionally. Or we can also put adverb at the end of the sentence. Like this one here, occasionally. And adverb of manner, the horse whisked its tail angrily. You can see here, it's in the end. गुस्से से अपनी दुम हिलाई या मारी. The horse whisked its tail angrily. Manner. How he whisked? Angrily. So, these are the 3 positions, front, mid and end position. You can put adverb in the sentence in front, mid and end position. So, this is your exercise. Let's do it. Choose whether the adverbs in bold are in correct position or not. You have to tell me that the bold adverbs here are in right position or not. You have to choose the correct or the incorrect option. If it's correct, you have to tick on the correct, and if it's incorrect, you have to tick on the incorrect. Let's do with me. I saw him yesterday. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct because it is in the end of the sentence. It is correct. The teacher speaks slowly. As we discussed the position of adverbs, slowly is in the end of the sentence. So again, it's correct. We go never swimming. Is it correct? No. We have discussed it. Here. We never go swimming is the right position. Never आपका इधर आ जाएगा we के बाद और go इसके बाद. तो this sentence is incorrect. The fourth one here. You cannot go there. अब there क्या है आपका? Adverb of place है. End में है. So, it is in the right position here. This is correct. And the fifth one, they inside are waiting. This sentence makes no sense. कोई sense ही नहीं बन रही. They inside are waiting. They are waiting inside. Inside आपका यहाँ end में आ जाएगा. So this position of adverb is incorrect. From 6 to 14 sentences is your home task. I hope you will do it because we have discussed the concept of position of adverbs in detail and it will be very easy for you. Now let's move to the page number 80 of your textbook. We will discuss kinds of adverb and their position more. Different kinds of adverbs go in different places. Manner, adverb of manner. They usually go in end position, as I told you. She ate quickly. Quickly is adverb of manner, and here we can see it is in the end. They sometimes go in mid position if the adverb is not the most important part of the clause or if the object is very long. अगर object क्या हो, long हो और adverb क्या हो, part of the clause. Now clause means sentence. Like this one, she quickly ate her dinner and ran out. Place, adverb of place here, they usually go in and position. Like, can you come over here? Here is adverb of place here. We will be at that table there. There is adverb here. They sometimes go in front position, especially in writing. जैसे कि मैंने बताया था आपको front में भी आ सकते हैं. Here she sat. Here, outside there was a small pond. Outside, as we discussed, they can be in front, mid, and in the end. Adverb of time here, they usually go in end position. I am flying to Edinburgh tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb of time here. They sometimes go in front position, especially if we want to emphasize the adverb. Like today, I'm going to clean the house. Again, in the end and in the front. And the frequency, they usually go in mid position. They sometimes go in front position. Like we often have friends to stay. As we discussed, the often is in the mid. I usually get up late on weekends, usually is in the mid. I could never swim fast. You can see never is in the mid. Sometimes she wore a woolen hat. Sometimes it is in the front. As I told you, front, mid and end position. They can also go in end position. Always, ever and never do not usually go in front position. आपका जो adverb of frequency है, always, ever and never कभी भी front position में नहीं आ सकता. Like it makes no sense. Never I could swim fast. Like it makes no sense. Always I swim fast. We don't see them very often. आपका क्या है? End में आ जाएगा. Very आपका adverb of degree हो जाएगा और often आपका adverb of frequency. So in this lesson we have discussed the position of adverbs. It's very important to remember this, that they can go in the mid, front and end. But there are some exceptions as we discussed, like always, ever, never. They can't go in front. They can be in mid, always. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.